Hello YouTube and welcome to my channel. This channel is called GtechZero and it's not about shiny reviews or brand new hardware. It's about real machines. Opened, tested, sometimes broken and most of the time repaired. Here you will be able to see computers, motherboards, graphic cards and power supplies, and why not some old gadgets. But the trick is not as a products, but as a system that either work or sometimes they fail. We will test things, we will measure, and will troubleshoot. The goal isn't perfection, the goal is understanding why something works and why sometimes it doesn't. In the next video, I'll show and explain the tools I use on this bench. And that's where the real work starts. As again, this is GtechZero. Thank you and see you on the next video.